DOT wants to spend $5 billion in EV chargers for cars, mopeds, bicycles, semi-trucks, everything all together. You know what you should spend some money on? Some damn truck parking. That'd be helpful. But let's get into this news. The truckers, I know a lot of you are driving at times. You guys don't catch up on the latest news. Department of Transportation, Secretary of Transportation, Pete Buttigieg actually just released recently that they are extremely happy and proud that they're going to be investing and spending $5 billion on EV chargers.
Innovation is central to the past, present, and future of our auto industry. And we see that right now with the opportunity for America to lead the electric vehicle revolution. U.S. companies and workers are ready, but as so often, while industry is ready to lead the way, good public policy has to pave the way. President Biden's historic law marks the largest investment in EV infrastructure in American history. And what we're doing today is rolling out the first part of that investment, with allocated amounts for the first year of nearly $5 billion, allowing the states to begin building out their pieces of the nationwide EV charging network that we're going to need along our interstates and major highway corridors.
So that's for vehicles, for trucks, for bicycles, for everything. Mother truckers, what are your thoughts about this? They're pushing for this. They're pushing for this hard, and they're spending a lot of tax dollars for this. You know, back last year when we were talking about the infrastructure bill that passed, well, the $5 billion is coming from this. So, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. But this is just released straight hot off the press that they're going to be spending $5 billion to build EV chargers across the nation. But that's your latest update on the Department of Transportation. You know, I want to give more information as it comes up, but comment down below. I appreciate you guys.